Star Health Insurance. And I'm sure most of you have heard this name before. It was one of the earliest standalone health insurance company that built a very strong reputation in the market. And mainly because of its wide coverage and comparatively smooth claim experience. At one point, it was almost the only insurer that covered nearly every age group with separate plan for young individuals, different option for families, and more comprehensive plans for people who wanted broader features. But after COVID, Star Health's image started taking a hit, and there was a reason behind it. So, earlier the company used to issue policies with minimal medical checkups and very light underwriting. And over time, this led to a rise in a claim ratio. And to control this, the insurer had to tighten its underwriting rules, and claims are getting rejected again and again. And this created dissatisfaction among customers who were paying more but not getting supports in medical emergencies. Premiums also increased significantly, and as a result, many customers started moving to other insurance companies in search of better value and more balanced plans. So, keeping all of this in mind, and after closely observing customer behavior and changing expectations, company introduced a new plan with more reasonable pricing and modern coverage. This plan is the Star Health Superstar policy. Yes, this is a plan where almost all the features that you usually see in modern health insurance plans are included. And that's exactly what we are going to discuss in today's videos, and I will break down its features, waiting periods, discounts, available options, and we'll look at how much premium it costs in today's time, and also explain how you can reduce the chances of claim rejection and what you should be careful about while buying this policy. And if you are new to this channel, then hi, I'm Mariam and I represent PolicyHub, and at PolicyHub we make insurance simple and easy to understand, so you can make the right decision for yourself and for your family. And also, if you prefer watching insurance content in Hindi, you can visit our Hindi YouTube channel as well, and the link is available in the description. And now coming to the Star Health Superstar plan itself. So this policy offers coverage starting from 5 lakh and goes all the way up to an unlimited sum insured, which immediately makes it attractive for people who want long-term high value protection. And one of the biggest advantages here is that there is no room rent limit and no limit on ICU charges. Star Health Insurance comes with a wide hospital network of over 14,000 plus network hospitals across India, and the claim settlement ratio is around 85%, which is decent but not the highest in the industry. So expectations should be realistic. And in terms of eligibility, adults can enter the plan from 18 years of age with no maximum entry age limit, and children can be covered from as early as 91 days and up to 25 years, and making it suitable for families as well. Pre-hospitalization expenses are covered for 90 days and post-hospitalization expenses are covered for 180 days, which is quite balanced for most medical conditions. And the policy also offers a cumulative bonus of 50% every claim-free year and going up to a maximum of 100%, which helps in increasing your coverage over time without paying extra premium. And another point of this plan is that this plan covers all modern features like IU's treatments, organ donor expenses, domiciliary hospitalization, modern treatments, all are covered up to the full sum insured. The policy also provides unlimited restoration of the sum insured, which works not just for different illnesses but even for the same illnesses, and that too without the need of fully exhaust your base sum insured first. And this is a very important feature, especially for families or people with recurring medical needs, and preventive health checkups are covered from day one, which is not very common, and all daycare treatments are also included under this plan. Consumables are covered inbuilt, which reduces out-of-pocket expenses significantly during hospitalization. Road ambulance expenses are covered up to the full sum insured, and air ambulance cover is available up to 5 lakh, which can be useful in emergency situations. And Superstar plan also offers several genuinely useful unique benefits. But instead of just listening them, it's important to understand how each one actually works in real life. So first is the age freeze benefit. Under this feature, your age gets logged at the time you buy the policy, and your premium is calculated based on that entry age. And this frozen age remains applicable until a claim is made under inpatient hospitalization, daycare treatment, or IU's treatment, or up to the age of 55 years, whichever comes earlier. For example, If you purchase the policy at the age of 25, you will keep paying the premium of a 25-year-old at every renewal, even as you grow older. Once a claim is paid, the premium will then be recalculated based on your actual age at the time of renewal and will increase normally thereafter. So this feature can result in meaningful premium savings in the long run, especially for young buyers who stay claim free for several years. And the policy also includes dental checkup and cleaning, which is not commonly seen in health insurance plans. So this benefit covers dental consultation, IOPA X-ray and scaling for one insured person. And it is available only during the second and third policy year. So it works more as a preventive and maintenance benefit rather than immediate coverage. Another strong addition is teleconsultation and AI-driven face scan. The plan provides unlimited teleconsultation with multiple types of medical practitioners through the mobile app. Along with this, an AI-based face scan feature is available, which helps track vital parameters such as heart rate, oxygen saturations, and respiration rate. So this face scan can be used up to 2 times per month per insured during a policy year, and making it useful for regular health monitoring. And the home care treatment benefit covers treatment taken at home for specific medical conditions such as fever, infection, and certain chronic illnesses, and it's provided predefined medical criteria are met. So this is particularly helpful for patients who do not require full hospitalization but still need supervised medical care. And this plan also offers premium waiver benefit. This is a very unique, under which the premium for the next policy year is waived if the proposer is diagnosed with the critical illnesses or unfortunately passes away due to an accident. This offers financial relief to the family during difficult times. And through the Star Wellness program, which is accessible via the Star Health app and Star Wellness app, policyholders can earn more than 1000 wellness points every year by completing various health related activities. So these accumulated points can then be redeemed for up to a 20% discount on renewal premiums, and it's encouraging healthier lifestyle habit while also reducing long-term costs. And the plan further provides value-added services, offering discounts on pharmacy purchases, diagnostic tests, medical consultations, all available through the Star Health app. These benefits help reduce routine healthcare expenses outside hospitalization. And the last unique benefit is the e-domestic second medical opinion feature. It allows policyholder to obtain a second medical opinion from a network doctor by submitting their medical reports digitally. And this can be extremely useful before undergoing major treatment or surgeries. And it's helping patients make more informed medical decisions. And along with the base policy benefit, Star Health Superstar also offers a wide range of optional covers. So it allows you to customize the policy exactly as per your needs. So in total, there are up to 21 optional covers, which is one of the highest number offered by any health insurance plan in this category. So these add-ons should be selected carefully because while they enhance coverage, they also impact the overall premium. One of the most powerful optional cover is limitless care. Under this benefit, inpatient hospitalization and daycare treatments are covered without any sum insured limit for one claim in a lifetime. This means that for one major hospitalization, there is no upper cap on expenses. And once this benefit is utilized, the sum insured for that policy year becomes zero. So it should be seen as a one-time safety net for extremely high medical costs. The another one is woman care add-on. So it focuses on maternity and newborn related benefits. It provides immediate newborn cover after birth up to specified limits and also covers congenital defects in the newborn up to the sum insured. And to avail this benefit, submission of the 12-week and 20-week pregnancy scan report is mandatory. This option is particularly useful for couples planning a family and looking for early newborn protection. And another important add-on is the Superstar bonus, which is the guaranteed bonus feature. Under this option, you get 100% additional sum insured after every renewal, and there is a no maximum accumulation limit. Unlike regular no claim bonuses, this benefit does not depend on claim history, making it very attractive for long-term policyholders. Another rider is the Future Shield. So this option ensures continuity of waiting period when a newly married spouse is added to the policy. This means the spouse gets credit for waiting periods already served by the policyholder. and the spouse must be added within 120 days of marriage, and this option is available only under individual policies. And for maternity coverage, the plan offers two options. Option A provides delivery expenses and newborn cover with a limit of 50,000 per delivery and a waiting period of 24 months. Option B offers delivery expenses up to 30,000 per delivery with a shorter waiting period of 12 months. Newborn hospitalization expenses are covered from day 1 of birth until the policy expiry and up to the applicable limit based on the sum insured chosen. There is also option C, which covers assistive reproductive treatment. This benefit comes with a waiting period of 24 months and offers coverage based on the chosen sum insured slab and making it relevant for couple opting for fertility treatments. And to reduce waiting periods, the policy offers Quick Shield, which waives the pre-existing disease waiting period for specific conditions such as diabetes, hypertension, asthma, hyperlipidemia, and certain coronary artery disease. And additionally, there is an option to reduce the waiting period for specific disease and procedures from 2 years to 1 year. And another option to reduce the pre-existing disease is waiting period from 3 years to 2 years or even 1 year. Superstar plan also allows you to add a personal accident cover. Option A covers accidental death, while option B covers both accidental death and permanent total disablement. So this cover applies worldwide, which add an extra layer of protection. And another rider is annual health checkup. Annual health checkup offering coverage up to the 1% of the sum insured or maximum 25,000, whichever is lower. This benefit can be availed only through digital booking platform specified by the insurer. And for day-to-day claim flexibility, the policy offers coverage for non-medical items where consumables are covered under admissible inpatient or daycare claims. There is also a hospital cash benefit providing a daily cash payout, and it's ranging from 1,000 to 5,000 for duration of 30 days, 60 days and 90 days and 180 days. So depending on the option you have selected. And the another add-on is the NRI Advantage. So NRI Advantage provides 10% premium discount for non-resident Indian and overseas citizens, making the plan more cost effective for this segment. And in addition, the e-International second medical opinion option allows insured person to get a second medical opinion from an international panel once per policy year based purely on medical records. For emergencies occurring away from home, the compassionate visit cover reimburses up to 10,000 for travel expenses of an immediate family members in case of a life-threatening situation. The Smart Network option offers a 50% premium discount if you opt for a predefined network of hospitals. And a 50% co-payment applies if treatment is taken outside this smart network except in accidental cases. So this option is not available for insured persons covered under Zone C. Superstar plan also provides flexibility through room rent modification. It's allow you to change room eligibility from any room to single private AC room, shared room or general ward. So there is also a voluntary co-payment option where you can choose a co-pay ranging from 10% to maximum 50% and a voluntary deductible where you can select a deductible amount starting from 10,000 and maximum up to 5 lakh. And it's applicable on an aggregate basis for all hospitalization expenses. And in addition to hospitalization related benefits, the plan offers high-end diagnostic as an optional cover, and it's providing up to 25,000 for specific diagnostic tests on an OPD basis. And lastly, the durable medical equipment cover. It offers up to 15 lakh for purchase on rental of essential medical equipment such as oxygen concentrators and wheelchairs payable once in a lifetime. So overall, these optional covers make Star Health Superstar a highly customizable policy. The key is to choose only those add-ons that align with your life stage, medical history and budget rather than opting for everything and inflating the premium unnecessarily. When it comes to waiting periods, the initial waiting period is 30 days. Pre-existing disease have a waiting period of 36 months and specified disease and procedures comes with 24 months waiting period. Assistive reproductive treatment have a 24-month waiting period, and for maternity there are two options. Option A with a 24 months waiting period and option B with a shorter 12 months waiting period depending on what you have choose. So if you opt for a long-term policy, the plan also offers discounts. Let's talk about discounts. If we talk about in terms of discount, then this plan offers a long-term policy discount. You get a 10% discount for a 2-year policy, 12.5% for a 3-year policy, 14% for 4-year policy and up to 16% discount if you opt for a 5-year policy. So in my opinion, Star Health Superstar is a future-rich health insurance plan that focuses on flexibility, fewer sublimits, and long-term coverage. It is especially suitable for people who want high or unlimited coverage, no room rent restrictions, inbuilt consumables, and a strong restoration benefit and maximum payment tenure. So, however, it is not the cheapest plan in the market, and the claim settlement ratio, while acceptable, is not the best. So this plan makes more sense for people who prioritize coverage quality and benefits over just low premium. So if you want a plan that reduces surprises during claim and offers wider coverage with modern feature, this policy is definitely worth considering. But if your main goal is lowest possible premium, then you should compare it with other options before deciding. And apart from coverage and add-on, Star Health Superstar also offers several discounts that can help lower your premium over time. And you can also get a 10% health questionnaire discount by completing lifestyle and habit-based health questionnaires available both at policy purchase and renewal. There is also a CIBIL score discount of up to 15% for insured person up to 50 years of age, rewarding good credit discipline. And the co-terminus discount applies if you buy a policy for yourself or for your family and another one for your parents or parents-in-law within 1 month. So in such cases, you get a 2.5% discount for one parent or 7.5% for two parents under floater or multi-individual plans. An early renewal discount of 2.5% is available if you renew the policy at least 30 days before the due date, applicable only during the second and third renewals. And lastly, through the wellness discount, you can earn reward that translate into up to 20% off on renewal premiums. And if we talk about the premium, then you can see the zone-wise premium detail displayed on your screen. So overall, in my opinion, this plan is a strong and well-designed health insurance policy that clearly shows Star Health's effort to fix past issues and align with today's customer expectations. The plan focuses on reducing common claim timing problems like room rent limits, ICU caps, consumable exclusions, and weak restoration benefits. So if your priority is long-term protection with fewer surprises during claim, this plan makes sense. Features like unlimited restoration, inbuilt consumable, no room rent limit, and flexible add-ons make it suitable for families and people looking for higher and unlimited coverage. And that said, this is not just a low-cost policy. The premium is higher than basic plans. And while the claim settlement restoration is reasonable, it is not the best in the market. So if your only goal is the cheapest premium, this plan may not be ideal. But if you value coverage quality and smoother claim and the pricing is justified, so this plan must be considering. And now coming to the most important part, how you can reduce the chances of claim rejection. So in many cases, claims get rejected because hospitalization was not medically necessary. For example, in mild fever or minor infection that could be treated on an OPD basis, some customers still get admitted. If there is no clear medical needs for hospitalization, the claim can be rejected. Always ensure that admission is clearly advised by the doctor and properly mentioned in the prescription. And another critical point is full disclosure. Always declare all pre-existing disease honestly while buying the policy. Even small or controlled conditions should not be hidden because non-disclosure is one of the biggest reasons for claim rejections. This plan also offers annual health checkups, so make sure you use the regularly. Staying updated about your health help you manage conditions early and keep your medical records clean and consistent. So always choose a plan with fewer limits and restrictions, and plans with minimal limitations generally offer a smoother claim experience, and Star Health Superstar perform well here when selected wisely. And I hope this video helped you to understand the benefits of the Superstar plan, and if it is, then do like it, share it and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.